Just a quick video on tidying up an engine bay, whether it's just because you're wanting to have a quick clean up of your car, or maybe you're thinking about selling it. I don't like going too over the top where you get jet washers on, because it causes all sorts of problems. But you know, just for general tidy up, it doesn't cost you much. An old towel, which you'll probably have lying about, tin of spray grease, or just something like that, WD-40, GT85, whatever. Simple as. So you just go, most of the time it's just dust. You won't do any harm, just try to avoid any kind of getting it on belts and things like that. If anything, it acts as a water repellent, so it's a good thing. So just spray a little bit on the areas, I've already done that. Just the areas you want to clean, just on here and around there. You don't need to go mad with it. Get a cloth and just give it a rub. Obviously it looks better, but it serves a little bit of a purpose. Like on this unit here has like some kind of an like a fuse box where the ECU or something like that's in. It acts as a water repellent, so as good as making it look a bit better. You know, it doesn't take long. You go around to this air box. You can go the full hog and get down here, but if you just want a general tidy up, to maybe take some photographs if you're selling a car. But to be totally honest, don't go too mad, because if an engine bay looks too spruced up, well, I might do a video on, you know, what to look for when you're buying or selling a car. But sometimes when people go over the top and you can tell that the engine's just been jet washed and everything, it makes it look more suspicious than anything else. But just for a general tidy up, a little bit of elbow grease, a towel, and a tin of spray grease, and that's coming up a treat. While you're on with the grease, you may as well lubricate the bonnet latches, including the ones up here. Always good maintenance to do. I usually do that on every car comes in for a service anyways, but it doesn't mean once a year, a couple of times a year maybe, just sort that. Even just this area here, look, all this like dust and old oil. Just give it a tidy up. Obviously a little bit of a disclaimer, something like this, make sure the engine's not running, because if you get your hands caught in the fan, it'll take your fingers off. So make sure you do this with the engine switched off, and possibly with the engine not boiling hot to cause any burns. But quick rub down like this, tidy that up a bit. You know, you're going, taking your car to these valeting places, and you know, you pay the extra money to have like an engine bay clean and things like that. It only, you know, anybody can do this. And look at that there. How long's that been? I've still haven't even got round to. You can if you want, put a bit of like grease on, not too much, and it makes it last a bit longer, you know. But how long's this video been on? 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes of your time. And if you've already got a tin of WD-40 and an old towel, cost you absolutely nothing. There you go. 3 minutes work. I'll add this to the end of another video rather than doing a separate one, or I may just add it as another separate video, how to clean an engine bay. Thank you. If you like it, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.